Going rogue is an expression where you are not following the normal script for anything really, but when going rogue, you'll at least want some of the creature comforts you've become accustomed to in your daily life. The Forest River Rogue Travel Trailer toy haulers give you the ability to be independent, yet provide you with some great features. We'll look over the Rogue floor plans, but first, let's step inside and check out exactly what you'll get. First thing you may notice is space. Every Rogue comes with a lot of interior room. The garage spaces include rollover sofas, plus the quick set rear bed system, which is a queen bed that comes down from the ceiling. The kitchen area for a toy hauler is quite remarkable. For appliances, you'll get a large vibration smart 12-volt 10.1 cubic foot residential fridge, a 1,000-watt microwave, and a 3-burner cooktop with an oven. The sink is huge and gorgeous. It's a residential black stainless steel farmhouse sink, and it sits undermounted in a seamless countertop. In the living area, you have zebra shades to allow in as much sunlight as you want, and a tent wall lets the cool breeze in and keeps the bugs out. Speaking of cooling down, the Rogue has a 15,000 BTU AC, with his second one as an option along with 50 amp power. In the bedroom, you'll get plenty of storage with wardrobe closets and plenty of room to sleep with the Rogue King bed. In the bath, showers come with a wall surround as well as a glass shower enclosure. For entertainment, you have USB charging stations in the bedroom, living area, and garage, or you can sit back and relax in the optional black leather Euro recliners. You'll also find a Bluetooth stereo with indoor and outdoor speakers. And speaking of outdoor, here we go. The Rogue exterior continues the entertainment with a TV hookup ready for you to place your favorite flat screen to watch TV under the 21-foot power awning with LED lighting. For power, you have generator prep, plus you can opt for an Onan generator if you so choose. You can also opt for the Juice Pack, which is a solar power center for the Rogue. You'll have no worries about tanks freezing, as every tank has ultra-cold heated holding tank pads, including the fresh water tank, which is a minimum of a whopping 94 gallons. Get yourself clean before entering your Rogue by using the outside shower with hot and cold water. Make your black tank clean with the easy-to-use, quick clean waste tank spray system. To keep your toys going, you'll get a fuel station that can hold up to 30 gallons. To keep the party going, every Rogue ramp door has a patio system. Just be sure to observe campground quiet hours. Other notable features found on a Rogue exterior include a spare tire, battery disconnect, backup camera prep, and satellite prep. And one more thing, an option for those of you who want a smooth-sided toy hauler, you can select the fiberglass sidewalls as opposed to the conventional look. Speaking of construction, no matter what RV you choose to take your family in and see the country, you'll want to know if it has durable construction. Rogue models all have a 102-inch wide body, and it certainly is noticeable. Construction includes alumifoil insulation for extra warmth on those crisp spring and fall mornings, plus an enclosed underbelly to keep out the elements and critters. Great features, right? I love them. Let's hit those Rogue floor plans. What you always want in any toy hauler is plenty of cargo carrying capacity. Each floor plan varies, but you'll get at least 3,500 pounds in cargo carrying capacity. As far as weight, you'll need a full-size truck as they average about 7,500 pounds empty, and in length, Rogues can run from 30 to 40 feet. Okay, let's check out the Rogue 25V. The open floor plan allows for 15 feet of garage space. Up front, you get a private bedroom with that sweet Rogue King bed, with the bedroom separated from the rest of the cabin by a walk-through bathroom. In the back, 4 more can sleep on the rollover sofas and overhead bed system. The Rogue 26V has a large private bedroom up front with a walk-around king bed. A kitchen slide-out expands the living area, 4 can sleep in the back, and there's 15 feet of garage space. The 29KS-16 has, as you would expect given the name, nearly 16 feet of garage space. There's an impressively large slide-out that holds a nice kitchen as well as a flip-up sofa. With the quick bed system and rollover sofas in the back, the 29KS-16 can sleep up to 7. The 32V has an enclosed garage with 12.5 feet of space, a private entry from the exterior, plus its own half bath. Opposing slide-outs make a ton of room in the living area, as well as room for a large kitchen peninsula. The 32V can comfortably sleep 7. When it's time to go rogue, be sure to do so with the Forest River Rogue conventional travel trailer toy hauler. Bring along friends and the toys you love and make the best of your campground days. Happy camping!